m'importe beaucoup, c'est comment je peux arriver à trouver la personne que je suis, même en passant par la méditation. Comment je peux faire pour savoir qui je suis? Parce que je ne sais pas qui je suis, au fond de moi.
Question is how to know who I am, who I'm really, who I am really, with meditation. How to know?
Only not with meditation. Meditation have to be to make you center, to take you in no mind space, but with your understanding that who want to know this question, who is asking this question, what is inside you, your heart, how much time you listening your heart, how much time you living your life according to your heart, how much time that what I teach you to breathe with full stomach, full empty, you are doing. How much time your thoughts are with your breathing. How much time you remember what I teach you to all the time when you walk. You have to remember now your left feet on earth, now your right feet on earth. How many time you are remembering? These are small things that for knowing yourself who you are, first thing you need to live in present moment. And in present, you have to be 100%. And you must know that how much you should eat, how much you should work, how much you need to sleep, how much time you need to dance, you need to do pranayama, you need to do meditation, everything with intelligence you need to do. You don't have to be like running in life and one day life is finished and you die. No. You need to be balanced, you need to be centered. You don't have to lose your smile. You need to be full satisfied and no more complaint inside you. When you are full satisfied with yourself and you don't have any complaint and you love everybody, everything, then you know really who you are. This is who your basic nature to love everybody, everything. And then when you are in love, when two mind melt, then two person become one. This is the love for me. And sex is the flower of the love. Like you are living with the person and sex will happen. You don't have to plan that this evening I meet and we go in restaurant, drink wine and then we go sex. This is for me like prostitution. For me, you are in love, you are living with your partner and sex happen. That is the like flower of love. That is the purity. That have to be like prayer. That is like, for me, that sex when you are in full love and it's happen, that is the pure meditation. But in this age, with your relation with one tree, with moon, with sun, with one animal around you, you need to be total. But what time you need to eat, what you have to eat, these all things you must remember and you must care, because this age after 60 years, in India say after 40 years already you have to much care, but after 60 years more and more time we need to give ourselves that how we can be more healthy, more happy, and we can enjoy our remaining of the life. Whatsoever you think you have not did in your life, you must do now. And things you can do only when you are healthy. So give your all attention to your health and happiness